Have you heard the saying, most diseases start in your gut? It might sound like an exaggeration, but the truth is, your gut plays a much bigger role in your health than you probably realize. Stick with us as we explore why gut health could be the key to a long, vibrant life, and what you're about to hear could change your life. From digestion to immunity, and even mood regulation, your gut is at the center of it all. In recent years, there's been growing evidence linked to longevity, the ability to live a long, healthy life, directly related to gut health. The big question is, can the key to living longer actually be found inside of your gut? One of the most fascinating stories comes from Dr. Shigeki Hinohara, a Japanese doctor who lived to be about 105 years old. Not only did he live an impressive life, but he continued working well into his hundreds. His secret to such an active long life? It wasn't just about taking medications or having the best doctors. He understood the importance of taking care of his gut. He always emphasized that maintaining a healthy gut is key to staying strong and full of energy as you age. As he wasn't the only one to believe in this, Dr. Hiromi Shinya, another prominent figure in health, also advocated for gut health, believing that it holds the power to prevent diseases and promote longevity. Today, we're going to explore their wisdom and dive deep into the science behind why a healthy gut is essential for a long, healthy life. Dr. Shinya's powerful quote says it all. Death begins in the gut. What does that mean? Well, many chronic diseases start in the gut, and when food doesn't break down properly, it leads to toxins building up in our bodies. These toxins can poison our organs and trigger various illnesses. The good news is that Dr. Hiromi Shinya believes we can prevent up to 99% of the disease by stopping the process of rotting food in the gut. The idea stems from the fact that when food doesn't break down properly, it creates toxins that can accumulate in the body, eventually leading to various diseases. But by ensuring our food is digested properly and our gut stays healthy, we can significantly reduce the risk of illness and even improve our overall well-being. Your gut is more than just a digestive organ. It's often referred to as the second brain. This is because the brain and the gut are deeply connected through the enteric nervous system, sometimes called the gut-brain axis. This relationship influences not just digestion, but also how you feel emotionally and mentally. The gut contains a vast network of neurons that communicate with the brain, affecting everything from your stress levels to your mood and even your mental clarity. This is why many people refer to the gut as the second brain. It's essential not only for physical health, but also for emotional well-being. When your gut is out of balance, whether due to poor diet, stress, or other factors, it can lead to a variety of issues from digestive problems like bloating and constipation to mood disorder, such as anxiety and depression. The gut-brain connection is so powerful that imbalances in the gut bacteria can even affect how we think and feel. So it's crucial to maintain a healthy gut to keep both your body and mind functioning optimally. But how can you improve gut health and support this vital connection? The good news is that there are simple ways to clean out your gut and boost your energy levels. We've got some helpful tips for you to get started, and even a powerful recipe to help you detoxify and nourish your gut. This recipe will support your digestive system, restore balance to your gut microbiome, and help you feel more energetic and healthy. Now, let's break it down. Your gut is far more than just the organ that helps you digest food. It actually is the powerhouse of your immune system. In fact, around 70% of your body's immune cells are located in your gut, meaning it plays a massive role in defending your body against harmful invaders like viruses, bacteria, and other pathogens. The lining on your gut is full of immune cells that act as the first line of defense, constantly monitoring and protecting your body from infection. When your gut is healthy, it helps keep your immune system strong and functioning properly, reducing the risk of illnesses and diseases. But the gut's influence doesn't stop there. It also has a profound effect on your mood and mental health. Did you know that your gut produces 90% of your body's serotonin? Serotonin. It's often called a feel-good chemical because it regulates your mood, emotions, and even your sleep patterns. While most people associate serotonin with the brain, the majority of it is actually produced in the gut. This connection between the gut and the brain is why some experts refer to the gut as the second brain. The gut and brain communicate constantly through the gut-brain axis, a complex network of signals that allow them to influence each other. This means that when your gut is unhealthy, it can have a direct impact on your mental well-being. Problems like bloating, constipation, and irritable bowel syndrome are not only uncomfortable, but they can also disrupt this delicate balance between your gut and the brain. Now, let's talk about food. Dr. Shinya believes that many chronic diseases that are caused by food that rots in gut, especially foods like processed meats, sugars, and fast food, which are harder to digest and break down as unhealthy ways, releasing toxins into your body. These toxins can damage organs, cause inflammation, and even affect the brain. But here's the good news. There's a simple solution, and it starts with what we eat. A high-fiber diet filled with whole grains, vegetables, fruits, and legumes. This can drastically reduce your risk to developing diseases like diabetes, heart diseases, and even cancer. These foods nourish the good bacteria in your gut, keeping your microbiota balanced, which strengthens your immune system and helps you keep you healthy. To improve your gut health, focus on a diet rich in fiber and probiotics is key. Start with whole grains like brown rice, oats, and quinoa. These are packed with fiber, which is essential for feeding the beneficial bacteria in your gut. Fiber helps these good bacteria thrive, promoting healthy digestion and a balanced gut microbiome. Whole grains also provide essential nutrients like vitamin B and minerals which support overall health. Next, fruits and vegetables are a must. They're loaded with vitamins, antioxidants, and fiber that work well to support the gut health. Fiber helps keep things moving in your digestive system, while antioxidants remove harmful toxins. Vegetables like leafy greens, broccoli, and Brussels sprouts, as well as fruits like apples, berries, and bananas, can help maintain gut integrity and reduce inflammation. Legumes such as beans, lentils, and chickpeas are also excellent for gut health. Rich in both fiber and plant-based protein, they help regulate digestion and help you keep feeling full longer. These foods are great at feeding beneficial gut bacteria, which helps break down complex foods and keep your digestive system running smoothly. Probiotics are another crucial component of a gut-friendly diet. Fermented foods like yogurt, kimchi, sauerkraut, and kefir are packed with probiotics, good bacteria that help restore and maintain a healthy balance in your gut. Probiotics can improve digestion, boost immunity, and even support mental health by promoting a healthy gut-brain connection. On the other hand, certain foods can harm your gut. Red meat, for example, takes a long time to digest, and when it rots in the intestine, it can release toxins that can damage the gut lining and increase the risk of colon cancer. Dairy, particularly high-fat cheese, can cause discomfort, bloating, and gas for those with sensitivities. Processed foods like fast food chips, sweets are full of preservatives, unhealthy fats, and refined sugar, which disrupts the balance of gut bacteria. These foods feed harmful bacteria, leading to inflammation and digestive issues. Reducing these foods can help restore balance and improve function to the gut. By focusing on whole, nutrient-dense food, you can significantly improve your gut health and overall well-being. So, how can you take action today? We've got a simple, natural recipe that can help you detoxify and nourish your gut, inspired by the long-living people in blue zones like those in Japan and Italy. Here's what you'll need to do. A glass of warm water, flax seeds, chia seeds, lemon juice, organic apple cider vinegar, and natural honey. Mix all of these together and drink it first thing in the morning on an empty stomach. Stick with this recipe for 30 days to get the best result, and then you can drink it a few times a week to maintain your gut health. Taking care of your gut is the first step towards living a healthier, longer life. By following simple practices like eating high-fiber foods, avoiding processed foods, and adding gut-friendly recipes to your routine, you can prevent disease and boost your overall health. If you want to feel better, live longer, and avoid chronic diseases, it all begins with your gut. Now leave a comment down saying, "I can do it," to commit your health journey today. And don't forget to share this video with your friends and family. Let's all help each other live healthier lives. Take care, stay healthy, and I'll see you in the next video.